There we go, fish on. No way, you guys, fish on. That's it, this is what we're after.
What's going on, everybody? Nick from 618 Fishing here, and welcome back to another fishing adventure. I am very excited and nervous for today's episode because we are traveling nearly 2 hours to fish a spillway that is home to one of the most sought after species of fish in the entire world. Hopefully we can catch one. Spillway right here behind me, and to target this fish there is a variety of tactics, but the most efficient is to use lures. So I brought an absolute ton of lures. Let's not waste any time and get started. I've got this swim bait rigged up, first cast. Let's see if we can get this big fish music going early. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just had a follow. That is a great sign, but incredibly disappointing that he didn't eat my lure. Let's try out this expensive shad swim bait. Some of you might actually remember this lure. I fished with this a very long time ago in the Pond of Giants. I had really good luck with it. It looks incredible in the water. Maybe these big fish will think the same here. Fish. There we go, fish on. No way, you guys, fish on. I think this is it. This is the fish we're after. Please, please, please stay on. Holy smokes. This is what we're after. Oh man, this is a nice fish. That's it. This is what we're after. Oh, my heart is racing. In the net, there we go. We did it. We did it. Oh my gosh. I think this is the biggest one I've ever caught too. We just caught the target species, one of the most sought after fish in the entire world. A fish that was on my bucket list for a very long time. And I think this is the biggest one that I have ever caught. A muskie, also known as the fish of 10,000 casts because of how difficult it is to land. I'm honestly in shock right now. I cannot believe that this fish is in my net. All right, the hook is out. What an absolute beast. This is one of the coolest fish that I have ever caught. Official weight is 11.5 pounds. New personal best muskie. I cannot believe this. All right, let's let this beast go. See you later, buddy. Yes, I am still in shock with what just happened. I've been skunked coming out here to this spillway trying to catch a muskie more times than I can count. which is incredibly disheartening since this fishing spot is 2 hours from my house. And to be honest, I was losing hope for today. I've been out here for hours in the freezing cold, and that is when that dude picked up that swim bait. That guy coming in at just over 11 pounds is the biggest muskie that I have ever caught. I know they get a lot bigger than that, but I am super pumped to have caught that fish. Here's what caught that fish. This is a setup that a lot of you will probably not recognize because I do not fish with it very often, but this is my bait casting combo, and the lure I was using was this 4.3-inch Kitech swim bait with this underspin to give it a little bit extra flash. I tossed it right up against that spillway wall, and that guy crushed it. Let's toss it back out there.
There we go, fish on. Nice fish. Nice fish. No way. Easy, buddy. Easy, buddy.
No way. No way. Easy. We have to get this guy in the net. There we go, you guys. Another nice muskie. Yes, 2 muskie in 1 day. That is insane. What an awesome looking fish. Let's get a weight of this fish. 12.5 pounds. Even bigger than the first one. That is crazy. See you later, buddy. That was not a very graceful release, but he swam off really strong. What an epic day of fishing. So far, we've been able to catch 2 muskie, and both of those were a new personal best, which is mind-boggling because that fish is nicknamed the fish of 10,000 casts. And the crazy thing is I was about to actually change up locations because it's been a while since that last one. I am so glad that I did not. We have a little bit of daylight left. Let's see if we can catch a third. But what an epic day of fishing. I set off with a goal, and that goal was to catch one of my absolute favorite species of fish, one of the most sought after fish in the entire world, the muskie. And not only did we complete that goal, we caught 2 of them. Some really nice ones at that. So needless to say, I had a ton of fun. If you guys enjoyed this episode, I'd really appreciate it if you left a thumbs up, possibly think about subscribing if you haven't. I will catch you guys on the next one.
This is where it all began.